Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat can't log in due to network error problem. So first thing first, this happens when you have a unstable Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you are connected to a very stronger Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is slower, you may also go ahead and switch to your mobile data. Second thing you want to make sure is that you are using the latest version of your Snapchat app. For that, you have to head over to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Snapchat. If you see update here, tap on update. But if you see open, that means your application is already updated. Leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and tap on apps here. Then again, search for Snapchat. Once you see your application, simply tap onto your app. Now here, tap on to storage, then clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data. But deleting your data will delete all of your login credentials or your saved login history. If you would like to do so, tap on delete. If not, leave this as it is and head over to your app info page. Tap on force stop and then OK. Now restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only way you can fix your problem is by long tapping onto your Snapchat app, uninstalling it, reinstalling again, get logged into your account, and this shall work.